going on, everybody? In this video, I am going metal detecting. A highly request was to go metal detecting in the actual mine part. So, today, that is where I'm going to be metal detecting. I am right now setting my metal detector up right over here. I'm going to set it up to, we'll start with low, which is right there. And hang on, let me just change that notch. We'll start with low, see if we find anything off the surface level. And if I don't find anything off the surface level, then I'll change it up to high. Okay, so I got my gear, got my shovel on the ground there. Let's go. So guys, I think I'm going to start metal detecting here. And I don't think I have to speed up any really much, but let's hope I grab something. So I'll actually time lapse this probably, see what I got. Be right back. So guys, I think I got something small actually. It's right under this awesome tree, as you can see. And it says it was in this area right here. So it looks like there's already a stone in the way, but hopefully I'll find some cool stuff today. I gotta get this stone out, because it was underneath the stone, I'm pretty sure. Come on. One way. Actually, no, wait. There it is. Alright. I don't even know what that is. It actually looks like an old shotgun shell. Probably not that old. Probably in the 1970s maybe. Not too old. I'm going to look for some writing on it. Let's check for any writing. I don't see much, but I'll definitely scrape off or wash off all the dirt to see what it is. But I'm going to put that in my pocket just so I don't have to go all the way back up there. And yeah, so I'm actually going to keep going with the light and just see what I find. Then I'll come back through, put it on. It's as far as it can go. See you guys when I'm doing it. So guys, I don't actually know what this is, but it looks like an old jug of some sort. I'm actually going to go put this up top just because it's glass and don't want it to break, but it actually does have some writing on it. I can't read it very well, but I'm going to put this up here. And yeah, I don't know what this is at all. Looks like a candle or some sort. But yeah, so I'll put this up here. And then I'll continue my metal detecting. So, see you guys back when I'm metal detecting. Guys, so I didn't find much. I found that thing, but I'm going to turn this up to high and high sensitivity. And I'm going to come back through here and see if I can find anything. Obviously, it's going to be really deep, or it could just be shallow and I missed it. So, yeah, I'll probably start back over here. And I'll go back around up there. And yeah, so I'll be back when I'm metal detecting again. So guys, I think I just found something, as you can hear. It's in here somewhere. That's a lot of leaves though, so I'm going to put this aside real quick, grab my shovel, which is up here. And I'll find this thing, hopefully pretty quickly. Cleared all these leaves here. See if I can go back through here. Alright, let's check. I'm going to check with the metal detector again just to see if I moved, maybe it's small and I moved it aside. Alright. I actually think I just found it. It blends in right with the leaves. There it is. Alright, I should have wore gloves, but here we go. So it looks like, there we go. So it looks like just an old pipe. I'll put that back up where everything else is and I'll be right back. So guys, I think I just found something, as you can hear. And this thing seems to be really big. It could just be a really big pipe, but I'm going to grab my shovel, which is over here real quick. And I should have put bug spray on before I came in here, because there's a lot of mosquitoes in this mine, which I expected, but I totally forgot about it. But, so I'm going to go dig this out a bit. Well, that was actually, took me like, what, 2 seconds to find? That looks like an old rail. I'm going to go up here just to show you. Looks like an old mining rail for mine carts and stuff. As you can see, the wheel would go in between here and you push it up and down. Which is actually really cool. I didn't think I'd find that. So far I found the pipe, the weird glass, which I didn't actually find on the metal detector, a shotgun shell, and a thing, and this thing. So I'm going to end it here. If you want me to continue going in through here, hit that like button. And yeah, so I'm going to grab everything together. And so guys, I got everything together right here. And so the first thing I found was the shotgun shell right here, which I didn't get anything, I didn't read anything off of here. Then, out of luck, I found a glass jar of some sort, which I'm still trying to read. I think that says Bottling Company. It says Whistly DOC, I think? Doc or something? I don't know. But on the bottom, it definitely says something. It says Akron, Ohio, which is about, I would say, 600 miles maybe from where I live. So must have been a big company if it sends it all the way up here. Then I found this weird pipe, which is like coated with something. It looks like it's wet almost, but it's not. It's dry. So that's what I found next. And the coolest thing I think I found was this awesome rail which is actually really heavy. But look at that. It looks really good. And yeah, so it's pretty well weared. As you can see, that side's completely rusted. This side's actually in pretty good shape because it was under more dirt. But yeah, if you guys didn't know already, mine already actually came out to be right here, but my neighbor on accident made almost like a small avalanche fill this in, so he just decided to make it into a path to walk around. But yeah, so like I said earlier, if you want to see more metal detecting in here, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel at all, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell icon if you're already subscribed. See you guys all later.